boys and girls. Now my name is Lynn and welcome to Pool's Amphitheater for High Flyers. Now this morning, we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. Now we hope you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to take actions for all our feathered friends across the world. Right now we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Now in the wild, macaws, they would congregate on palm trees to feast on palm nuts. Now if you look right up there, we have replicated a palm tree, and we've let everyone look right up there. Let's welcome the birds. Okay, here comes the first one. That is Gaia, our high-seen macaw. Two more friends will be joining him. We have Ferrari and Lambo, both scarlet macaws. Now these birds, they can be found in the jungles of South America. So after feeding in the wild, they will go to rocky areas just like these to lick up on clay or chalk. Now this would help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Well, looks like they're still right up there, but not to worry, this will definitely be the next stop. Now birds, they often gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. This morning, we will have a competition and they will need supporters. People over here, you will support Zonda, our blue and gold macaw. I need all of you to clap your hands, come on, and shout her name just like this. Zonda, Zonda, louder. Stop. See, this is very good. People on this side, you will support Barry, the green-winged macaw. Same thing, clap your hands and shout his name. Barry, 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 Barry. Excellent, cheering the birds to the table. So birds, they gather food in tree hollows just like this. Okay, so we have 4 fruits on each side of the table. Okay, there you go. Now supporters, are you ready? Birds are ready and go! She said it was 4 fruits for Barry, 4 fruits for Zonda. Now Barry supporters, you have to cheer louder. Ready, go! Found in the forest of South America. Now just like us, they live in a very large group. Can you imagine them living in a large flock? How colorful and noisy these birds will be. Now the Jurong Bird Park is not only active in conservation, we get school children involved as well of our birds. Well, up they go. Now we need 2 more volunteers, 2 more. Just raise your hands, get the trainer's attention right up there, and they might just pick you, okay? Now don't wave your hands at me, wave them at the trainers. On my left, we have Woody in the center. Oh, look at that, I see one already. By the way, we have 2 of them this morning. These are Togo toucans. They are the largest in the toucan family. Smile, young lady, everyone taking your picture. Very brave. So you know, everyone, look at the size of their beaks. Despite the size, their beaks are lightweight and hollow, and they can catch